beauty about the Downer difference is every single person has a role to play, and it's our responsibility to think about those values and those behaviours and how they relate to ourselves, our teams and our customers.
Robert, what's really important for me is the culture of this business. What does the Downer difference mean for you?
And for us, it's all about one Downer. And I think about it in an analogy might be a professional orchestra or a rock band, where we all play our individual parts, but we're all creating something together.
I think for me, it's really enunciating a lot of things that are already in the business. And so people are passionate, people are proud, people want to be there for each other, for their workmates, and they want to be there for our clients. So to actually codify that and have us with a common set of language is really important.
Yeah, well, culture's about people, and we're a people business. If we don't look after our people, we don't develop our people, we're going to struggle. So culture and people are intertwined.
I think you need to push and prod a culture a bit, and I think the Downer difference gives us the framing of the areas we need to lean in that continues to grow that culture.
We all want to be part of a successful organisation because that makes us successful. So this kind of gives us that roadmap. So how would you like to see your teams really embodying the Downer culture? Peter, maybe we'll start with you on that one.
Understand your role in the Downer difference. Think about your place in the organisation and how you take those behaviours and get your own authentic version of those, and so you can play a role in the Downer difference and be, an important part of our future.
It's about setting high standards. That's how I try to hold myself to. That's what I enjoy being around. I don't want to be mediocre. I don't want to be average. I want to be the best, right? And I see people at Downer all across our business that want to be the best. And we see examples every day where we are amazing. We just need to do it more consistently.
Culture for me is what people do when no one's watching. So I want them to turn up every day and embody the cultural values of Downer. For me, that means teamwork, it means lending a hand, it means being highly professional, it means being inclusive.
In my team, I'd like to see people calling them out when they see it portrayed and acknowledge it and link it back to the Downer difference framework that then creates a consistency of how we apply it through the business.
The way I look at our culture is about driving high performance and taking a vested interest in everything we do. We really drive for great outcomes in sport because we're committed, we're purpose-driven, and we have high integrity. We bring that to a workplace and we're going to be very successful.
I think a culture focused on high performance and accountability not just encourages open communication, it enables better problem solving and it helps us attract and retain key talent. So fundamentally, our culture is not just about belonging. I think our culture is a fundamental performance differentiator, and development of that culture, I think, is a key strategic imperative.
So if you think about Downer, when you start at the highest level, we're 4 business units, we have 25 lines of business, 2,500 contracts, servicing customers on a vast range of sites, projects, and we all have a role to play in applying the Downer difference and thinking about how we can be better every day, how we can serve our customers and make sure that we stand for each other.